Hello team. So this is the business management solutions. Or here this is the different currency. But don't worry, we will set up which currency you require. We will set up according to you. Okay. So here you can check dashboard. So here you can check purchase dues, sales expenses. So here you can check customers, suppliers, purchase invoices. Here you can check your purchase, sales and expense bar chart, recent added item. Here you can check stock alert, top 10 trading item, which is sales invoices. You can check it here. After that we have a users. So here you can check user list like name, username and all. Here you can edit or delete. If you want to create any user, then you can create any user. You can assign any role to them. With that role they can manage your solution easily. Here you can set up your multiple roles, or you can give permissions to this to that particular role. What permission you allow them, they can manage that permissions in the solutions. After the sales, so this is the POS. So you can sell multiple solution by POS as well. You can change the currency, so price will be automatically changed. You can check tax, you can hold, you can multiple, you can cash, or you can pay all. Here you can check which warehouse or other things you can set up. Here you can select customer and other all. Okay, so this is the POS. After that, here you can create multiple sales. So you can make sales manually as well. Okay, after that you can check your sales list, sales payment you can check here, sales return list you can check it here. After that we have a contact. So here you can set up multiple customers. So add or edit, you can set up customers, or you can check your advance. After that we have a customer list. You can easily generate discount, advance payment, view payment and all. You can manage it. Here you can create multiple customers. Here you can add supplier, or you can check a supplier data. You can pay due on payment, you can receive return due and all. You can manage that. After that, if you want to import, then you can import data as well. After that, if any advance was there, then you can manage that advance. You can select customer amount, payment type and note, and then you can add your advance payments. After that, coupons. So here you can create customer coupon here. Coupon list, you can check it here. You can create, or you can export data. You can create any other coupons. Okay, this is the coupon master. So all types of coupon will come here. After the quotation, so if you want to create any quotation, then you can create multiple quotation. Okay, after the quotation list, you can check it here. After that we have a purchase. So if you are purchasing anything related to your business, then you can add that purchase here. You can check your purchase list. If any purchase return is there, then you can check the purchase return as well. After that we have accounts, so you can create multiple accounts. You can check account list here. You can check money transfer list. Okay, here you can check deposit list or cash transaction. You can create any accounts also. After that we have items. Here you can add item. Here you can check add services, item list, category list. You can check brand list, variance list, print labels. You can easily import, or you can import services as well. So if you want to create manually, then you can create manually as well, or you can easily edit or delete. Okay, if you want to import, then that data will import as well. After that we have a stock. So here you can check your adjustment stock. So which stock might be already adjust, that data will come here. So then you can create multiple adjustment. Here you can check transfer list. After that you can set up expense list. Multiple types of expense was here, so you can create multiple types of expenses category, or you can create expenses. After that we have a places, so country list or state list we can set up. After that messages we have, or these all reports you can check, like profit and loss, sales and payment, GSTR on sales, GSTR report, purchase tax report and all. These all reports you can manage. After that we have a multiple warehouse. So you can set up multiple warehouse, you can edit, or you can change, or you can create multiple warehouse. Okay, after that some settings we have. So here you can set up your own stores data first. After any time zones, currency and all you can manage here. Here you can manage some sales details. After some prefix. So which types of prefix you need to use, you can set up. SMS and WhatsApp API we already integrated. So Twilio we are using, or 5Mojo WhatsApp API we are using. You just need to add key, then it will be work. After that we are using SMTP for a mail. After text list we have, so here you can set up your taxes, unit list you can set up, payment type you can set up here, currency list. So these all currencies are we already running, but currently we set up. Let me change the language as well. So see, this is the active, but we not um, did any live. So you can change any currency, you can change the password and all. Okay, so we already show you the complete demo of this solution. So if you have any doubts or query, then let me know. We will try to help you. Thank you.